Welcome back to the channel. My name is James. I'm the lead coach of the Endeavour Network, and today with our Coaching Uncut, we're continuing with our series, Things to Consider. Why use a business plan? And reason number 4 is that it provides a benchmark for measuring results. I mentioned this in the last video, is that it compares now when we're, as far as a coach is concerned, I'm looking for benchmarks so that I can kind of, create positive tensions for you, the client, to be able to achieve greater things, even though you think maybe you can't. If we only understood the next viable steps to getting closer to our goals, that is a huge help. And so that's what these benchmarks are all about for a coach's, from a coach's perspective. So basically the comment here is compare what you want to what you have actually done. And so I'm using the business plan, I'm using the strategies and the research that you've done, and I'm saying, okay, so what have you done for this business plan lately? Have you gone out, and now I reference as well the planning for business, the executable and regular steps, routines that you need in order to create this plan to come into a reality, right? So, and that's really what it is all about. And are you satisfied with the kind of effort that you've put in? Are you satisfied with the dedication that you have? Because if you're not, then we have to have another conversation about that. So that's where we get into the personal growth for professional results conversation, right? But the business plan will at least lay out some of these benchmarks that we need to work from so that we are not walking blindly down the path of trying to, do business by accident. I mean, I like the idea when people stumble into success, and I like that kind of story, but you know what? That's really one in a million kind of stories, right? So the business plan will help us have a pathway so that we're not walking blindly, and it gives you benchmarks so that you can kind of look in the mirror and say, am I proud of what I've done? Am I satisfied with the level of results? And if I am not, what do I need to change or do? So the fundamental questions are, when you're evaluating yourself and your attitude, is what have I done well and what could I do better? And that's what the business plan will do by providing benchmarks of measurable results. I hope that you found this content helpful today. If you'd like to become a supporter of our work, please join us over on locals.com and you'll get access to even more content. Thank you so much for watching.